Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Binance Passkey. It's step-by-step guide to follow easily. So to reset your Binance Passkey, all you have to do is go to your mobile app. Mine is already logged in, so I'm just gonna walk you through it step by step. So the first one is by visiting the mobile app and screen, and then you will have to forget password underneath the password field. So after that you have to enter the email address and then tap submit, and then you will be taken on email code verification screen, and then go to your locate the email that they have sent you and copy the verification code in the email and paste it in the box on the email code verification page. After you have done that, enter a new password, and then once you finish up, just tap the new password and confirm, then log into your account with the new password. So once you have completed all these steps, you have successfully changed your passkey and your password and recovered your account in Binance. So those are the things you can do. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.